Okay folks, let's get straight into the intro. This time I've got a capo on the 3rd fret. I find you get the chord voicings a little bit better with it there. So let's start. We have D, just one down strum. Then we're going to do A over C sharp. So just do your A chord and play the 4th fret on the A string there. Then we're going to a B minor 7, one down strum. B minor 7 over A. So keep the B minor 7 but add in the open A string. Then go to the G, then go back to our B minor 7 over A and straight to A. So we've got finish on the D chord, then just play B, G, D on that D chord there, and that's our intro. So just start on the E minor and do a down, down, up to an E minor 7 over G. So just play the 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd on the A, all the rest open, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up to A7, same again. A7 sus2, just do a down, back to A7, up, down. So slowly, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And the strumming pattern will stay like that throughout the verse. Then we have a D, the same, down, down, up, D over F sharp, down, down, up to G, down, down, up. This time we're going to go to a G add 9, so play the 3rd fret on the E string, mute the A, open D, put the 2nd fret on the G and still have 3rd fret on the B and the E and just do a down and back to G, up, down. Then we go to C, down, down, up, C over G, down, down, up, A7, down, down, up. Now this time go to A7 sus4 and do the down, back to the A7, up, down. Then to D, down, down, up, D over F sharp, down, down, up, back to D, down, down, up. This time we're going to do D sus2 for the down and back to the D, up, down. And we do that through 2 times and that's our verse. So this time we're starting on a B flat. Our strumming pattern's going to change. We'll do a down, 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 up, so to 2 count, then back to the C for a 2 count, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up. Go to an F, this time we're going to do down, down, up, to an F major 7, down, down, up, back to the B flat, same strumming pattern as before, down, 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 up, to the G minor, same again, and finish our pre-chorus on the A7. So slowly, to the C, to the F, to the F major 7, to the B flat, to the G minor, to the A7, and that's our pre-chorus there. So this time starting on the D, same strumming pattern as the pre-chorus. Down, 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 up to an F sharp 7, up to a G. Now you can use the open or the bar chord there. Same again. To D. Same on the B7. To an E minor the same. To an A7 the same. Now we're going to do the D, and we're going to do a down, down, up, to D over C sharp, down, down, up. Back to a B minor, back to our original strumming pattern, down, 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 up, to an F sharp, down, 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 up, to the G. This time when we get to the B flat, we're just going to do 4 downs, 1, and on the and we're going to do a C with an up. So 1, 2, 3, and that's your chorus there. So for our next part, it's exactly the same as the intro, we're just leaving out the D at the end. So we have the D, the A over C sharp, the B minor 7 over A, G, back to our B minor 7 over A to A. Then we're jumping straight back to the pre-chorus, but we're going to put a D on the end. So we still have the B flat, to the C, to the F major 7, back to the B flat, to the G minor, to the A7, and this time end on a D and hold for 4 there. Then from there go back to the verse, that stays the same, back to the pre-chorus, back to the chorus, then go back to the intro like we did with that D on the end, and then we just finish on the pre-chorus and finish on a D there. And that's all the parts to the song. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Goodbye Yellow Brick Road guitar lesson by Elton John. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s glam, pop and rock, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'll see you soon.